There is no FDA approved method for testosterone replacement therapy, even at low dose for women. So let's look at the history of that and why that may be. Hi, if you're new to my channel, my name's Brian. I was a practicing women's health specialist for 30 years and quit in 2017 to become a health coach. Testosterone replacement was first reported on for women in the American Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology in 1949 using testosterone pellets. That's how long they've been around. I was never a pellet fan for testosterone replacement because they're expensive. You have to put them in with a trocar so you're sore for a while, and you can overdose with testosterone pellets, and there's no way to reverse that. So what do you do if somebody has side effects from too much testosterone? Testosterone has been licensed and used in the United Kingdom and Australia for 60 years, but not so in the United States. Here's a short video of my good friend Tammy administering her hormones by subcutaneous injection in the lower abdomen.
Baby, I'm a gangster too. It takes two to tango. You don't wanna mess with me, mess with me. Baby, I'm a gangster too.
As with all things hormonal, individualizing the dose is important, as is monitoring. This is not a place for algorithms and a narrative. You need to be treated by a medical professional who understands hormone replacement therapy. From the literature, here are the potential health benefits of testosterone replacement in women. First, increased libido. Second, increased muscle mass and fat redistribution, as well as a reduction in mid-abdominal belly fat. In addition, researchers have reported improvement in cognition, insulin sensitivity, skin and hair health, metabolic health, as well as potentially protective from cardiovascular heart disease risk factors. Testosterone receptors are also found on bone, so there appears to be improved bone density and a lowered risk of the formation of osteoporosis. Do what Tammy did. Take control of your health, get the testing, and work with a health professional that knows about hormone replacement. And if you can't find one, reach out to me by email or go to my website, healthwithoutrisk.com, and I'll help you along the way. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.